Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is numerical expression, or we can say algebraic expression, and it's a use of letters or the variables, okay, to replace the numbers. Okay, so we are going to start. First we will see this concept, or what exactly the we are going to learn from this one. Okay, and then we are going to solve some examples, so that we are going to make clarification about this algebraic expression. What exactly the algebraic expression? Okay, so the numerical expression, or we can say the algebraic expressions. Okay, algebra is a totally numericals. Okay, and from the algebra, this algebraic expression, this word is form up. Okay, so numerical expression is a mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division. As we know, these are the four main operations. Okay, so all these four operations are get together in a one operation mathematical in expressions. Okay, now what is the expression? Might be you have something question. Expression means what exactly the expression? So expression means what? Expression means we are something sentence or statements. Okay, sometimes we are express our feelings. Okay, to express our feelings we are use some sentence, use some words. Okay, so same like this one, the mathematical expressions. Okay, so there is some information, or we can say the statements. Okay, so that statements in a word formats, okay, or alphabetical formats. Okay, but that sentence or that information, or that we can say the sentence is, we have to convert in a mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division. So after this conversion, that particularly mathematical statements is called a mathematical expressions. Okay, so for your more information, suppose this is a expression. Okay, now exactly what is the expression you will learn. Okay, so this expression is equals to something, again expression. Okay, so these two expressions are showing equality. Okay, then we can say this is a complete equation. Okay, I am again saying equation. Why? Because we are showing the equality. Okay, this is the equal sign. So from the equal sign, this is the equality, and from the equality, two expressions, okay, we are showing with the equality, so completely it's called the equation. I hope now you understand what exactly the equation, what exactly the expression. Now in expression there is no equal signs, but two expressions we can show with equality. I'm again repeating, please listen very carefully. Okay, this is up to the 10th, or even the after 10th, even up to the engineering also. You are very very important for about this one, and you might be use this all the mathematical expressions or in the equations. Okay, so this is now your starting of the algebraic expressions. Okay, now your means one step is you are moving ahead. Okay, till the date, addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division, these four operations with a 5-digit number, 7-digit number, 6-digit number, all you have learned. Okay, now from this moment, numerical expression or algebraic expressions. Okay, now we are going to start. Later on, from the expressions, we are going to learn the equations. Okay, so two expressions are showing with equality, that is called the equation. Now expressions is never have the equation equal signs. Okay, so but only the expressions have something equal to the zero also sometimes, that is also the expression, but zero is not a expressions. Okay, means expression is equals to zero also sometimes. Now what exactly the expressions? Okay, so that one also we will going to learn. So before that one, some rules we are going to see. Okay, so rules are generally followed and minimize, simplify the expressions. Okay, the operations in brackets should be carried out first. So these are the first steps, means priority. So first we have to solve this one in expressions. Okay, so first whatever the brackets that we are going to solve, so that's why this is the b for the bracket. Okay, and of course, in bracket or outside of the bracket, if there is a orders means, suppose this is a 5 square. Okay, now or 3 cube or 4 square, or we can say 8 cube. Now what exactly these are just? So these are the squares or the cubical formations, 3 for the cube and 2 for the squares. Okay, these are called the indices. or sometimes we are called these are the orders. Okay, so now that orders, now in this topic we are not going to see the orders, but for your information, just understand or just remember, O is there for the orders. Okay, so bracket and then order. Okay, after that one, this is very important. After that, multiplication and the division must be carried out. Okay, means multiplication or the division we have to carry out, but in order that from left to the right, means suppose there is a multiplication here and there is a division here, then which one we will solve first? From the left side. First there is a multiplication, so we will carry out the first multiplication and then we are going to solve the division. Suppose there is a division in expression and later on there is a multiplication, so from the left side, which is the first? Division. So we will solve first division, then we are going to solve the multiplication. So out of this multiplication and the division, which one will be the first? So that first one will be the which is maintaining to the left side. Okay, so that is a priority left to the right. Okay, don't miss out. But in between these two, same like this one, addition and the subtraction should be carried out after this one. Okay, so once you have completed multiplication and the division, then whatever the additions and the subtraction, that has to be carried out. But in these two also, left side to the right side should be maintained like this one. Okay, suppose there is here the subtraction and here the addition, so which one is the left side? So this is the subtraction, so first solve the subtraction and then go for the addition. Suppose in expression there is a addition and then the subtraction maintained, so which is for the left side maintained? Addition, so then first solve the addition and then go for the subtraction like this one. Okay, so this is a first and then this is a second. In the first, which one that should be decided, which is maintaining the left side. Okay, here also which one should be? So from the subtraction and the addition, so which is maintained to the left side. Okay, so like this one. So this is the third steps. Okay, addition and the subtraction. So here we can say multiplications means here the division or the multiplication, so just maintain the D as a division, then M for the multiplication. Okay, after this one, the A for the addition and the S for the subtraction, means BODMAS. Okay, so same is maintaining here, board mass, or sometimes bracket and the orders are not considering, then we can say the DMAS. Okay, so for right now for the fifth standard, the DMAS is much more important. Okay, so D for the division and multiplication. So but sequence from the left to the right, that has to be maintained. Suppose there is a multiplication, then it should be carried out before the division. Okay, and this is a one pair and this is a one pair like this one. Okay, so but for the calling purpose we are saying the DMAS. Okay, so don't forget about this one. Then this is a now expression. Okay, mathematical expression. As I told early, expression means now this is a expression. Whether here any equal sign is maintaining? No. Okay, so this is not a equation, this is an expression. Okay, so here only the equal sign, means just we are saying the steps here. Okay, means after this one what is the equal, like this one. Okay, so this is not the equality of the left side and the right side. Okay, so this equal sign is not for this equality. Okay, just for the understanding. So after this one, which is the first, we have to solve out this division, and parallelly we can solve this bracket also. Okay, so bracket is the 2 3s are 6 here. After the bracket is here the minus sign, so maintaining the minus sign. Here 25 divided by 5 is a 5. Okay, so this step is solved here, this step after this bracket. Okay, so here 5 plus 4 minus 6. Now in this one, addition and the subtraction, so which one should be carried first? Which is should be from the left side. So from the left side, addition is there, so we will solve it first this one. 5 plus 4 9. Okay, and then whatever the subtraction, so answer is a 3 like this one. So this is the steps. Okay, so don't forget about this one, and as per this one we are going to solve the number of problems. Okay, before that one, now these are the expressions, but in our topic we are going to learn about the use of the letters, or we can say use of the alphabets, or we can say use of the variables. Now what exactly the variables? Variables means the word meaning is vary means that is something different, sometimes this, sometimes this, sometimes this. Okay, it may be vary, we can say. But how we can show that one in a mathematical expression? So for that one, we are assuming, or we are taking the help of these alphabets, just denoting purpose. I'm saying just denoting purpose, or we can say just for the showing purpose. Okay, now in this one, in mathematics, the property can be expressed by using letters of any number. Okay, so a multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Now in this one, a may be 1, a may be 2, a may be 100, a may be 1000, it may be 1 lakh, it may be 1 crore, any number. Now here varying that number, correct? So that's why that is called a variables. Okay, now a, if we are taking one, answer same. Okay, and multiplication also, so these two terms are the same. Now this is a completely equation. Okay, so because of the equal sign, now here the 0 is mentioning. Okay, so any number multiplying by 0 is equals to 0, this we already know. But how we can show this in mathematical expressions? So like this one, to show that we are using alphabet, you can use x, y, z, a, b, c, p, q, r, l, m, n, anything. Okay, a to z, anything. Okay, so now here we are showing a. Okay, you can show x also, you can show y also. Okay, I hope you understand this. Very easy, just understand, or if you cannot understand, just reverse or listen from the starting. Okay, so that's mean if any number is multiplied by 0, then answer is 0. Okay, so this is a statement, or we can say this is a sentence. But in mathematical operation, in expression, or you can say the equation, we can show like this one. Okay, so from this sentence we can show this one, or from this expression we can make the sentence also like this one. Okay, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, and the division are the four fundamental operations in mathematics. Oh yes, already we studied this one. When such operations are carried out on two numbers, the answer is always be another number. Okay, so suppose here 3 plus 4 7, 10 minus 3 7, 7 multiplied by 1 7, 14 divided by 2 also the 7. So answer here all are the 7, but operations are different and the numbers are the another, or we can say the different. Okay, then the statements. The number obtained by adding 3 and 4 can be expressed easily by writing. Okay, this is a statement from here to the here. Okay, so adding 3 and 4. Okay, so but here we can say the mathematical writing, or you can say the expressions. So this type of the conversions we have to do. The arrangement like 3 plus 4, there, or we can say the 10 plus 10 minus 3, or we can say 7 multiplied by 1, or 14 divided by 2 are called expressions. Okay, because equality sign and another side, or we can say RHS, this is LHS, this is RHS. LHS means for left hand side, RHS for right hand side. Okay, and here the equality. Okay, LHS is equals to RHS. So only showing the LHS, that is the expression, or only showing the RHS, that is also expressions. Okay, but if you are showing completely, then we can say this is the equation. Okay, so here the expressions, which are the expression here, 3 plus 4 or 10 minus 3. So these are the expressions, so that we have to make it. Okay, then when the values of two expressions are equal, that is called equality. Okay, as I told earlier, here the equality, two expressions are showing with the equality, or we can say if they are the equal, then we can show the equality. Okay, when the values of two expressions are not equal, there is a inequality between the two expressions. That time the symbols greater than or less than are used to show inequality. Okay, or sometimes like this, equal and not equal, or we can say inequality. This sign also sometimes we are showing just for the information purpose, that is a equal or not equal. Okay, to greater and the lesser than, then we are going to see, show these two symbols. Okay, the order of the operations while simplifying an expression is board mass. Okay, so this is the order bracket of, sometimes saying the of. Okay, but sometimes saying the order. Okay, as I told, indices or the orders. Okay, so bracket ops means also the same, means something that is a multiples. Okay, so that has to be carried first, and then division or multiplication, either this or either this, depending on the left side, and then addition and the subtraction, either this or either this, depending on the left side. Okay, then simplify like this one. So here 15 divided by, in a bracket, 8 minus 5. okay, plus 5 multiplied by 7 minus 30. Now here subtraction is always be later, or we can say the last, but till due to the bracket it is maintaining in the brackets, because of the bracket is first has to be solved, so that's why this has to be first solved. Okay, so 15 divided by 8 minus 5 means 3, and this multiplication also we can parallelly or at the same time we are going to solve, because this is totally different because of this addition side. So we can do this one addition here, sorry, multiplication here. So 5 7 the 35, and this minus 30, keep it as it is. Then now here division has to be solved first, because here the addition and the subtraction is only. So these are the division means 15 divided by 3 is a 5, and then 35 and then minus 30. Okay, now here addition is showing from the left side, so first carry out this one. So 5 minus 35 is a 40, and then minus 30 means 10. Okay, so answer is comes the 10. So like this we have to simplify, or we have to find out the answer, or we have to solve the expressions. Okay, so by using the letter symbols are used to the mathematical writings. These symbols are make the writings short in simple. For example, using the symbol 20 multiplied by 5 gives the product 100 can be expressed in a short 20 multiplied by 5 is equals to 100. Letters can be used like a symbol to make a writing short and simple. The perimeter of the rectangle is the sum of the twice of the length and the twice of the breadth. This statement can be written easier by the use of the letters. Using the letters L and B, L for length and B for breadth, for length and breadth respectively, the perimeter of the rectangular is 2L plus 2B. Yes, of course, this is, suppose this is a rectangular, this is the breadth, and this is the L length. Okay, so for the perimeter, mean this side plus this side plus this side and then this side. So L plus B plus L plus B means L plus L 2L plus B 2B. Okay, so same like this one. Now this side anything variable, so we are showing this one length is equal to L, and sorry, here B, so B is a breadth like this one. Okay, so we are showing with a alphabets or the letters. To use of the letter, these two represent the number, along with the number is a branch of the mathematical known as the algebra. Okay, now you come to the know that what exactly the algebra means. From here the use of the letters, or we can say the alphabets, along with a number is the branch of mathematics known as algebra. Okay, so from here you will start step by step and knowing all the algebra expressions and the equations. Okay, the expressions having letters and the number is called algebraic expressions. Okay,